Welcome back, children. Good morning. I am your Momita ma'am, and today we are going to learn a new topic. Now, let's introduce today's topic. We are going to learn today blends, and I hope you will enjoy today's topic and you will practice it and you will give answer to me very nicely. Okay, so when we are starting today's new topic blends, then we have to understand what is called blends. What is it? Right. So, for that reason, I'm going to illustrate you, I'm going to explain you what is blends. So, come with me. Let's start today's topic blends. Now, see, blends means mixture. Blends mean mixture, mixed up. We have learned about consonants. Yes, who are consonants? Consonants are rest of the vowels like A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels and the others are consonants. Okay. So today we are going to learn consonant blends. Why it is called consonant blends? Because they will start with consonant. They will start with consonants and there will be no vowel in between the consonants. Okay, so here I am taking a mixer. We all have mixer in our houses, right? Here I am taking a mixer and here I am putting one consonant F and here I am putting another consonant L. Now we will blend it together. Blend, 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 blend. And oh, what comes? Now we have got a blend. That is the mixture of F plus L. And what is it? That is FLA. F plus L is FLA. So today our blends will start with FLA. F plus L, FLA. So when two consonants are mixed up, two consonants are blends, then we get a single word and it will pronounce exactly like this. F plus L, FLA. So, you know children, there are many words that starts with FLA, right? Yes, I will discuss it today and I will discuss it later on. But now, you have to understand what blend is. Blend means when two consonants will be mixed up, then they will get a single word. And what is it? That is F plus L and we get FLA. This is our today's blends. Here children, F is a consonant, L is also a consonant and see there is no vowels in between two consonants and we are pronouncing it, we are telling it together, right? So today we will discuss some words that starts with FLA. F plus L, FLA. You will practice the words, you will practice the spelling and it will increase your stock of word vocabulary. Okay children? So come, let's start to know some new words with FLA. F plus L, FLA. So here this is our first word and what is it? Flower. See the spelling? There is FL, FLA. FL, FLA. OWER, flower. FLOWER, flower. Again, repeat after me. FLOWER, flower. And we all know flower is a beautiful thing. It has sweet smells and we all love flowers. Okay, here I am putting one picture of a flower. You can take any of the picture. Okay, children. Now the second word, flag. F-L, fla. A-G, ag, flag. F-L-A-G, flag. Repeat after me. F-L-A-G, flag. See the initial sound, the starting sound, fla. There is fla. So we all know what a flag is. We respect our national flag, and here I am putting the picture of our national flag. Okay, now our third word is fly. F-L-Y, fly. See the initial, the starting sound, F-L, fla. F-L-Y, fly. So, what is fly? Fly, a bird can fly in the sky. We all know a bird can fly in the sky, and we can call fly to the insects. Okay? So, see the spelling, F-L-Y, fly. Now, here is our fourth word. What is it? F-L-A-S-H, flash. See the starting sound? F-L, fla. A-S-H, ash. F-L-A-S-H, flash. Repeat after me. F-L-A-S-H, flash. Flash means a sudden reflection of a light, a sudden light. We have flash in our cameras when we switch on the camera, when we try to take the picture. There is a light who comes out, that is called flash. Okay, so F-L-A-S-H, flash. Now this is our last word. F-L-U-T-E, flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. See the starting? F-L, fla. So repeat after me. F-L-U-T-E, flute. Flute, this is we in Bengali we call it banshi. And who holds the flute? Which god? You know? Yes, Lord Krishna. Okay, so come, let's revise the spelling again. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-A-G, flag. F-L-Y, fly. F-L-A-S-H, flash. F-L-A-S-H, flash. F-L-U-T-E, flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. Okay, children, so I hope you have understood what blend is, how it comes when two consonant mixed up, then a blend is come. Okay, so you will practice it and you will practice the spelling. Okay, children, till then, tata, take care. Thank you for listening to me.